Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Hubitat Elevation Hub backups and restore process step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Hubitat Elevation Hub's web interface. Open a web browser and enter the IP address of your Hubitat Hub. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and find the Backup and Restore section. Click on the Backup button to create a backup of your current hub configuration. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the backup is finished, you will see a confirmation message. The backup file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Make sure to save this file in a secure location. If you need to restore from this backup, return to the same Backup and Restore section. Click on the Restore button to upload your saved backup file. Select the backup file from your computer and click Open. Confirm that you want to restore from this file when prompted. The system will begin the restoration process, which may take some time. Once completed, the hub will restart automatically. After the hub has rebooted, log back into the web interface. Verify that your devices and configurations are restored as intended. If everything looks good, your backup and restore process has been successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.